Let's explore enhancing your facial appearance and simple ways to do it. Making even minor changes can significantly impact your overall look. Don't believe me? Try shaving off your eyebrows. You'll quickly notice a drastic change even with a picture-perfect facial structure. Conversely, small improvements can elevate your appearance remarkably. Let's dive into some effective tips for enhancing facial aesthetics. Mewing. Firstly, let's discuss mewing. This technique involves placing your tongue against the roof of your mouth to exert upward pressure on your palate. It's said to reduce double chins and combat facial sagging like drooping cheeks or a weak jaw. While there's some supporting evidence, the exact mechanism remains unclear. Consistent practice over time may yield noticeable improvements. Lean out. Another crucial aspect is trimming body fat. No matter how great your facial structure is, if it's concealed under layers of fat, it won't be visible. Achieving a healthy, lean weight is key to showcasing your best facial features. Crash diets should be avoided as rapid weight loss can give an unhealthy appearance. Instead, adopt a balanced diet and exercise routine to gradually shed body fat, promoting a healthier and better-looking you in the long term. Keratin. Additionally, consider incorporating beta-carotene-rich foods into your diet. Consuming veggies like carrots, tomatoes, sweet potatoes, mangoes, and others can impart a healthy glow to your skin. If you're not a fan of veggies, beta-carotene supplements can also provide a natural tan, scientifically proven to be attractive across cultures. Vitamin C. For skin improvement, explore vitamin C serum. This serum helps even out skin tone, lightening dark spots, scars, and irritations while tightening skin and reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Not only that, but vitamin C serum acts as a potent antioxidant, aiding in reducing skin damage caused by sun exposure. Collagen. Collagen supplements offer numerous benefits for your skin. Being a natural protein constituting a significant part of our skin, collagen supplements contribute to maintaining skin health and elasticity. They assist in minimizing the appearance of lines and wrinkles while enhancing overall skin texture and clarity. For optimal results, opt for hydrolyzed collagen powder and incorporate it into your morning coffee or daily smoothie. Ice baths and masks. Combat morning facial puffiness and inflammation by employing two simple strategies. First, immediately upon waking up, wash your face with cold water to reduce inflammation that lingers post-sleep. Second, apply a cold ice gel mask to your face for a few minutes each morning. This routine helps alleviate puffiness and dark circles, ensuring a fresher and more vibrant appearance. Stay hydrated. Hydration plays a pivotal role in skin health. While you may believe you're consuming sufficient water, many underestimate their actual intake. Monitoring water consumption or using a water bottle with time markers can ensure consistent hydration, maximizing its benefits for your skin. Use gels. Consider incorporating a lesser-known but effective product, a gel derived from black castor and flaxseed oil. Applying this gel to your hair and eyebrows nourishes, promotes growth, and strengthens the strands. It not only nurtures but also styles your hair, providing a healthy shine and a touch of hold. This serves as a wholesome alternative to conventional hair products. These tips are valuable for enhancing facial aesthetics, although some significant tips like choosing suitable facial hair or hairstyles are omitted due to existing dedicated videos on these topics. Feel free to explore those linked videos for additional guidance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content.